You know it's hella dark right now. First fucking video. God, it's so wobbly. Anyways, we're gonna go before on a little POV run with the piece of shit. It's not knocking. That's just how it sounds. People don't know. People think this thing's a piece. Look at that cake. Get some nice POV driving videos. It's a little wet out right now. A little calm. See what kind of videos we can get. Shit. Yeah. Okay, let's switch to that POV angle. Watch this transition. Oh shit, we're here. Okay, I'm gonna get out of point 5 once we get out the car. Pop my little gas cap. Weirdest gas cap placement. I could do a good launch with. Yo! Hair's fucked up. Don't talk about it. Shit. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Oh no, I don't. Have a good evening. Yeah, be safe. Hey, could I just get a? How's your night going? Good, good, sir. How's going your day? Good, it's good. No, it's okay. Okay, thank you. You too. This little fucking. If you ever leave your car on, or I mean off, while you fill it up, you're a bitch. You're not a bitch, but like, no, you don't really like need to. I do, just cause. Yeah. With dick line, that's a whole shit. That's man on my bullshit. Looks pretty fucking good at night, not gonna lie. Point 5 is. Look. I gotta rip my piss, I'm not gonna lie. See, like, I got that monster truck going, but it's okay because it's the most versatile bitch on the fucking land. Canadian money. Yeah, this bitch is up. This isn't even a fill, bro. This is like half. This is like fucking half a tank. It's fucked. Do not move to Canada, bro. Fuck. This shit's fucked. I don't even know how this happened. It didn't scrape. Someone like bit it. The fuck, bro. Cracho. Come on. It's better to pump your gas by hand and like half ball it. Technically, you get more, but I don't give a fuck. It's also better to fill up gas when it's cold up. You get more gas, less gas vapors. Get the fuck out of here. I gotta get you guys back on my fucking face. How much did I get? Oh shit, bro! I was at like already at like a quarter, so that gave me pretty much half a tank. Okay, I'm gonna get you guys on my face. 2 seconds. You give me like 2 fucking seconds here. Hardest part about recording videos is the no music. It's okay. No, I'll just get a fucking actual camera. You guys can like jam the fuck out with me. Front left fog light. Dumb ass Odie, bro. You upgrade any lights on this car to LED, except with the interior ones, I guess. But like the exterior lights to LED, it will instantly say they are not fucking working. And that is the fattest cap I've ever heard. Oh, look at my car. God, my fog light looks so good. Okay, I might turn off this mic while we rip so you guys can just hear the exterior. Okay, okay. I got an angle here. Okay. Let's get outside. I need to check that mic. I'm worried. That's just a one. Take you guys off of my face. Get you guys in one. Look at this. Ooh. Yeah, I don't know why I had to restart the video. It was kind of acting weird. But mic's still good. It's kind of beautiful night. I have to take a fucking insane pissing pin right now. So you guys have to excuse me. Oh my god. Who the fuck is that guy? Yeah, you guys are still recording. What the fuck? Start messing with it, but yo, I got a sub. This is the essentials. Owning an Odie, right fucking there, man. Maybe some cool shit too. But yeah, I think that's a fucking wrap. Honestly, like solid fucking video. Ending at the locks. A nice calm rainy night. I'm gonna go set up the camera over there and get some rips, and then we should be done. Oh, it's a beautiful night. Beautiful fucking night.